Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily and quickly delete all the likes in Instagram in one go. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments. So friends, let's get to our interesting topic. And now I'm going to show you everything in detail. First of all, please open the Instagram app on your device. And then, friends, at the bottom on the right-hand side, tap to go to your page. Then on the top right side, click on the three bars to go to Settings and Privacy. After that, here you will need to select your activity, likes. Wait for everything to load, especially if you are liking a lot of content. Then you will need to wait a little bit for it to load. And as you can see, you will get to this page where you will see absolutely all publications that you have previously liked, both photos and videos, reels, and so on. And let's say if you want to delete one of the posts that you previously liked, you'd have to click and hold on that post. And as you can see, at the bottom it will say that one post is selectable. And to delete it, you just have to click here, confirm your action, and that's how you'll remove your like from that post. As you can see, it disappeared immediately. If you want to delete more than one post, then you will also need to click and hold on any post that you have absolutely liked. And further, you will need to manually tag every post you have. Unfortunately, because there's no Instagram option to click and pull to tag all photos, all posts. And so you'll have to manually select all the posts that you previously liked. And then at the bottom, just like that, just click delete and confirm your action. And then you'll remove all the likes from those posts on Instagram. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you. You could see how you can delete all likes in Instagram in one go. Please don't forget to put your likes. Also subscribe to our channel. Bye friends.